This video will cover the basic user interface of Layout Editor. The default interface has a layers menu and the mouse help on the left side of the screen. The mouse help shows you the different click commands and combinations for the current tool you have selected. If you hover over the mouse help area, you can access the feature search. Along the top menu bar, there are several useful buttons. On the left side, there are shape drawing buttons such as the path, box, and polygon button. You'll also find the button for adding text, the select edit button, the zoom buttons, and then on the right side there's the undo and redo buttons, and also the snap to buttons, which we will go into further detail in future videos. Most of Layout Editor's functionality will be found in the drop-down menus on the very top. You have the select, zoom, cell, draw, layer, and utilities drop-down menus, as well as help. A lot of these functionalities we will go into further detail and explain how to use them and what they are useful for in future videos. The user interface can be customized by right-clicking the top menu area. This brings up a list of different menus that can be added in as a pop-up window or moved to reside in the left or top menu bars. The layout of the user interface can also be manipulated by left-clicking and dragging to move menus to the desired position. Along the bottom of the screen at the very left side, there are two numbers that indicate the coordinates that the mouse is currently pointed at. Further to the right, there is a value given for the distance between each point. This value can be set by clicking on it and changing it. Sometimes this value is set to auto, in which case the value will change based on how zoomed in or out you are. The main portion of the window shows the space where we will be laying out our designs. By default, we start out in select edit mode for the mouse, and so left clicking will select objects and right clicking will bring up a menu. You can also left click and draw a box to select multiple objects. To move around, the arrow keys can be used, or you can hold down the right mouse button and drag in a direction. Using the scroll wheel of the mouse will zoom in and out. You can also use the zoom buttons at the top. And so that covers the basics of the user interface of Layout Editor. In future videos we will go into further detail of different features